y'all another banger video, man. Right now, we finna pull up, meet up with the car club real quick, man. We finna head out here to Ennis, Texas, man, to this car meet called Race War. So, correlation to Fast and the Furious right there off the rip. So, hopefully we get to see some nice cars, man. You know, if you've seen Fast and Furious, I think it's 7 or 8 is one of them. Anyways, with the Race War or whatever, so you know pretty much what goes down there. And we're gonna be at the racetrack today, so man, make sure y'all stay tuned. If y'all done made it this far, appreciate the 1,000 subscribers, appreciate the comments, the likes, the shares, and all that good stuff, man. Keep rocking out with your boy Hellcat. Slick Rick gonna keep bringing that icy footage to y'all, man. So when I get to my meeting point with the crew, man, I'm gonna turn this camera back on. So I'm gonna head on out, finna bang that Jeezy. You know your boy Jeezy just went against what is it, Gucci? Yeah. So I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man. All right, man. We ain't pulled up to that location, man. As y'all can see, I got the crew sitting behind me just a little bit right now. Got to gas up before we head to this meet. And also, I need to wipe down my wheels just a little bit as well. Can't pull up too dirty. I ain't got nothing really going on the car yet. So at least have my shoes clean, you know. Shoes at least gotta be clean, man. You know how it is. Can't pull up to a scene with some dirty shoes. That's the best way the man look, man. Dude got a clean pair of shoes. You know he looking good. The shoes is what makes the fit. And these brass monkeys makes the fit. Brings ghosts out, boy. Oh, I ain't scraped up. Let's see. Come in 20 miles. $30. Don't move to Texas, what I tell you. Don't move to Texas. Make sure you yeah, make sure you get all that last little drizzle out there. It's the difference between running out on 3 miles and 1 mile right there. Alright, man, your boy decided to get out this car, man, for the first time. Hopefully it don't rain on my head, man, but y'all see what's going on, man. We got Cap sitting right here, bro. It's gonna rain? Oh, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. What's going on, Drew?
What's
already
good,
got you up,
brother?
man. But y'all see my boy Drew right here, man. Got this ice cat sitting back over here, man.
Got the shoes to match.
Hey, man, y'all. Every time I see one, I just gotta. We floating, baby. Hey.
I'm talking about the real shoes.
Hey, man. Everybody, hey. Y'all see what's going on out here?
We got shoes, I got
Hey, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Boy Alonzo, he floating too. Dang. See, man. Everybody to be like Corey, man. Shoes ain't even came out yet, bro. Shoes ain't even came out yet, man. What's going on, Corey, man? Shoes ain't even came out yet, bro. Come on, man.
I'm stepping exclusive.
Man, nigga know something I don't know, man. I know something I don't know. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all know who it is. See the line up, man. I see what's going on. I see what's going on, man. Hey, man, shout out to the Impala for pulling up on us, man. Shout out to him. Him in life in this thing, man. Oh, yeah, my boy. 2 wheel snot, man. This goes right here, man. Trying to be like you. Going to give me a... Oh, KD pulled up us on her, too. All right. Oh, yeah. Y'all see this Daytona thing, man. Big flex. Big forges on his feet right here, boy. Big flex. Look at the brake calipers on that thing, too. Oh, yeah. You know what's going on. You know what's going on, man. Boy, KD just pulled up on us 12, man. Got the bra on the car. We out here and we ready now. Oh, and it's raining, too, man. Just watch the car and it's raining. Bad. Just bad, man. Real bad. It's crazy. Oh, man, don't give me that. Don't give me that. Yo, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming, shoot. It's coming. Big flex right here, boy. $8,000 wrap. Really 10, but we gonna say 8 because we know who did that joint. But this joint right here, man, y'all see what's going on? Oh, that scat at black. Oh, I said Scat Black. That's Scat Pack Black. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what's going on, man. And for last but not least, the Plain Jane Ghost. Tuxedo dressed up and ready to go, man. So hopefully we finna hit this meet. It's raining. It's 12 o'clock. The meet start at 12 o'clock. So we'll see what time we get there. So hopefully we finna pull off right now. Because I'm tired of standing out here in this rain talking about a bunch of nothing. Yeah, man, I'm out of here. I bet y'all, man, we just pulled up to where we at, man. Long line, bro. So look, it's kind of put you in the mind of the Fast and the Furious on the rail, bro. Like the gate is way up there where you get at. And we way back here, man. And we got people way behind us as well, bro. You can see. Way back there, man. Way back there. We way back there. Deep in the joint. Real deep, man. So once we get up there, man, we really finna get this footage. A lot of people came out, even on a Sunday, and Corona going on, man. So we finna see what's going on.
1 hour later.
All right, man, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. We didn't pull up at Race War, man. As I can say, I am not disappointed. I really want to see some more, what you call the things? Cars with the turbos in it, them Supras, them Toyotas. Yes, that's what I want to see. I'm not disappointed, man. Look like I got a Super right there. I'm finna go mess with that, but right now we got the Impact lined up right here, man. I've been hearing a lot of videos, hearing them turbos whistling, twisting like I like it. So therefore, I'm really in tune with them things right now. So let me go and get y'all a quick little lineup. We made it. So we got Sid, you got me, you got Alonzo. Hemi Life then pulled out the old school Hemi for us. We got Corey, we got Drew, we got Scat, we got Cap. Okay. Nice little chop it up real quick. Oh yeah. Got the wide body kit going on, man. Let me see what we see. I'm looking for a fat turbo. Oh shit. I just stepped on this dude's splitter. Nobody didn't see that. I'm looking for a turbo. I'm talking about a fatty. And they probably got it hid somewhere, but I don't care. We gonna find it. Yeah. I ain't seen this Camaro about 100 times right here. Cream one up here. I ain't seen this thing a while on the way. This ain't your first time seeing it, but look at this GTO right here, man. On bags, low and ready, bro. Y'all see what's going on, man. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna do my video for it. Different. On this thing, bro. Low, people, rev nice. Look at that engine. Oh my lord. Exactly, it's a $100,000 car. All-wheel drive, 680 horsepower, stock. I'm pretty sure, I know he changed out them turbos in there. Exactly, look at that, see them intercoolers down there? That's how you know he changed out them turbos. Oh, that dust cover is protecting it, boy, I tell you. But yes, this right here is what's gonna be next, coming, a GTR, stay tuned. It's in the works. Like I said, yes, it's coming. This is it, that GTR one, I gotta have it. Guys, come on, let's go through here. This is where I really came here to see. And he on bags too. What he running in the front? I don't see the size, but yes indeed, that GTR is the thing to be. I'm looking something with a turbo on it. The Nissan Altima out here? No, not the Altima. On bags? 350Z. 370. What is it? We getting somewhere. I'm trying to find something with a turbo on it. I want to. This what you call clean stock, ready. It's alright. We're gonna find one of them with a turbo on here. They probably ducked off somewhere. Another one, 370Z right there. That's another one right there. Let's see what else we can find. I really want to see a Supra. I'm looking for this Supra. Once we find this Supra, we can head back the other way. Oh, there it is, right there. Look at that. This is what I've been looking for. A turbo on the Honda SI. Look at this. This thing here, probably, judging from the size of this turbo, it's probably about 650, if not more. Yeah. Yeah. Of course he's on bags. Huh? Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Look at this. You finna fire it up? Oh, I thought somebody got in the car. And he on stick. But to me, I guess you gotta be in the import world to know this, but outside looking in, that just look like he's doing too much for me. These long pipes out there. I'm getting close. Dallas. Whoop. Where's it at? Where's it at? I might have missed it. Is that it? Oh, I thought this was a Supra right here. This is not the Supra. Man, I want to see a Supra, man. Yeah. This is a 1971 Buick Skylark. Yeah, Skylark. Yeah, that's what it's called. It's like similar to the Chevelle, but you know, GMC makes Buick anyway, so it's like the same thing. It's a different model of it. CR1 right here. No, Stingray. I'm sorry, Stingray. This one is another Stingray as well. What they got down here? My truck levels right there, man. Y'all see that? All right. Disappointed, man. Like I said, Texas is the move for car shows. It is deep out here. It's like over 400 cars out here, and I can't bring y'all all of it. I'm bringing y'all the exclusive of the exclusives. I'm looking for a Toyota Supra 95 edition. That is my goal, to find one out here today. So stay tuned. Hope we can find one. I want to see one up in person. I'll be driving with it on Need for Speed and everywhere else. So I'm trying to pull up on it right now. Hopefully we can find it. I'm gonna cross my fingers. Oh, we running across one. They got the new Toyota Supra out here, but I ain't, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? So y'all get this video to 100 likes, man, for your boy Hellcat Slick and hop on this track, man. I want to show y'all what I'm working with. Oh my God, look at this Mustang. So look at this Mustang right here. This is what you, look at this. I'm not even a fan of Mustangs like that. But how does he make any turns? That is the question I want to know. How does he make any turns in this car? Like, how? Like, you got a turbo, the Dakota intake on it, on top of a 5.0. I want to know how he make turns. Tucked in. I know he on bags. I don't like the blue wheels though. No cap. Make sure y'all get this dude to follow, man. Maybe y'all can see on his Instagram how he make turns. But from right here, I don't see how he made no type of turns. You need to stay off the curves too. Boy, bolted on for real.
What'd you say?
I don't know how he make turns in this car.
It's wide.
It's wide. There, look, come stand on the side. Come back in and look. Look how wide it is, man. You see how wide this thing is? That's like 5 inches off the car. It is wide. Hold on, let me. Gold hood. This is gold. This is called tuck. Nice on the hood. With the hood pins, I love cars that have hood pins on it. SRT 392. Gutted back seat. Oh man, peep the interior. I don't want to touch nothing. SRT A semi with the gear shift. Huh? He took him out. He took him out. He took them joints out of there. Y'all see what's going on in there, man. We running 2 cans on this thing. You got these eject button. Where you see that at? Right now. It's a cigarette lighter, man. The eject button was the SEMA 19s. I'm assuming he. Oh, okay, that's where I seen this car from. SEMA, y'all know SEMA is the biggest car thing in Vegas. He got 2 minutes. Yeah, he raced this thing, of course. He ain't got no back seat. Clear that. This is a 2-seater. Literally, a 2-seater. Make sure you tune in to the Crown Peach, man. Tune into it. I wouldn't even let us take a shot. That box empty. Oh, he got something in there. Peep the details, man. The bad man. He ran him over with. Oh, that is dope. I wanted this Scat Pack Black do his, whatchamacallit. Powered by SRT. So it's a Scat Pack. Keep the details on it, man. What is this, Medusa? Who is this, Medusa right here? Yeah, Medusa, 5.7 Medusa. Man, y'all know this is my boy Royalty on 24s, man. The Zebra Life, the Rihanna, what he call her, man. Look at it. This the pull-up king himself, because he always pulling up, got the seats laid back for that. Yes, indeed, boy. Y'all peep it. Peep the details, man. It's the only Charger that has white interior on the inside of it, man. Y'all see what's going on. Even got the crown on the cap, because he the king, man. He the king of what he doing. The pull-up king. He always pulling up. Yes, indeed. Y'all see him, man. Got the Alpines in the back. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on. The gold Hellcat. 6.2 Angel. We done. This car used to be green. It used to be green on one side and black on the other, if I'm not mistaken. This car used to be green. It ain't. Yeah. It ain't green no more. See? I knew I went crazy. Look at that. It used to be green. It used to be lime green. I know this car. I know this car, man. I call him out. Mod effects all the way down from H-Town. Hold it down, man. They ain't pulled up on us out here in that D-Town boogie. Man, like I said, man, we so deep out here. We got cars over there. And we got cars going way back there. We way out here. Way out here. Look, Tyler finna get there, man. He on bags too, man. I might have to go and end this video right here. Just because there's so much footage going on right here, man. I don't want to have this joint about 20 minutes long. It's probably already 20 minutes long right now. So I'm going to end this thing right here, man. It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Tune into part 2 that will be dropping probably 2 or 3 days after this video here. So stay tuned. Thank y'all for my 1,000 subscribers. Thank y'all for liking this video, commenting this video, and rocking out with your boy Hellcat Slick, man. I've been slow, but I am coming back at it like a crack at it. It ain't got no daddy, man. So I'm out of here.